So Arizona Ren Fair is coming up very soon, and I'm always looking for fun accessories because I have a season pass, and so there's going to be a lot of different looks, and also not just like Ren Fair. I firmly believe anything you wear to Ren Fair you can wear in real life, and because Ren Fair is real life. These are super cute. They could be like bestie necklaces, kind of a thing, but also anything with a sword. Let me turn this around. This one I don't have in the thing yet. Anything with a sword is a win. And so this has kind of like this really fun, like both masculine, feminine combo kind of going on. You could wear both necklaces together, or you could have one person wear one and someone wear the other. It's really cute. And the sword just kind of sits in top, like I have it on the gold one. I'm not hanging it very well. Hold on, let me. There. It's super cute. Sword, heart. Sword goes into the heart or not. I'm pretty excited about these. These are gonna be peak for gold or silver looks. I'm happy. Look how cute.